Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Centre. Here is stock number 3735P. It is a 2019 Chev Express 3500 cube van. This has got a 16-foot multi-vans van body on it. This guy's only got 19K. It's like brand new all the way around. Undercarriage looks great. Tires are like new on it. Pan out again. Interior with fiberglass roof to let light in. And there's a driver pass through, installed wood flooring. Tie downs on either side. Everything in here looks nice and good. There's no wear in the driver's seat. 19K. Air conditioning, AM/FM radio. 3735P 2019 Chevy 16-foot cube van.